Hello friends, this is Zubair from Fixer Baba. Actually, I'm here to tell you about the mobile screen glass replacement. Example, if you have the screen which is just cracked the glass, so we replace only the digitizer. You no need to change the entire screen. Example, I have just replaced one Samsung Note 20 Ultra, which costs the screen will cost somewhere around 24,000 rupees. So I have replaced in the, like, you can just think like it will be around 30%. So we are replacing, you can save a lot of money by replacing just a digitizer. Any model, any make, we can fix it. And also we do the complete hardware. If your phone or if your watch or anything, it's in the cupboard, so you can bring it to us. We 100% we fix it and give it to you. And any major issues, any motherboard issues, IC level, and we also give the training as well. And just share our videos to all of your friends and family, and follow us in the Instagram, and please subscribe my YouTube channel in the same name, Fixer Baba. And please visit once to our office and see our service. We are the toppest service provider in the Google as well. You can just search in the Fixer Baba in the Google map. So we are the highest rated service providers. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks.